Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Tejsrikant Sutar. Today's date is 13th December 2022. Today's video topic is the difference between functional programming and object-oriented programming. Now first of all, we see functional programming. What is functional programming? Functional programming is a pre-diagram where basic unit of computation is a function. Means here means functions are not methods we write in the programming. Methods are procedures where we write sequential instructions to tell the computer what to do. And in functional programming, functions are tested if the in the mathematical functions where we inputs and outputs to procedure to produce a result. Functional programming involves crucial concepts such as immutable states, referential transparency, method reference, and high order and pure functions. And functional programming involves programming technology such as functional comparison, recursion, pairing, and functional interface. Functional programming is a subset of declarative programming pre-diagram, which in functional programming technology makes our code more readable and predictable, and it is easy to test and maintain the development through the functional programming. Now we see the OOPS concept. OOPS stands for object oriented programming. Object means real world entity such as pen, pencil, chair, computer, etc. Object-oriented programming is a methodology or a program to design a program using classes and objects. There are 5 pillars of an object-oriented programming. First, object; second, class; third, inheritance; fourth, polymorphism; fifth, abstraction; sixth one is encapsulation. First is object. A new entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. Object can be defined as an instance of a class. Second one is class. Collection of object is called as a class. It is a logical entity. Third one is inheritance. When one object acquire all the properties of behavior of a parent object, this concept is known as inheritance. With inheritance, our code is reusability increases by using inheritance. Fourth one is polymorphism. Polymorphism word stands for two Greek verb. First, poly means many and morph means form means many form. Using this concept, we can perform single action in different ways. Now we see the difference between functional programming and OOPS. First, functional programming uses immutable data. OOPS uses mutable data. Functional programming follows declarative model, and OOPS follows imperative programming model. Functional programming support parallel programming. OOPS does not support parallel programming. Functional programming follows control. Flow control is done using the function call and the function call with the recursion. In OOPS controls, flow control is done using loops and conditional statement. In execution order of statement is not so important in functional programming, and in OOPS programming execution order is important. In functional programming, bottom up approach. In OOPS top down approach. That's all about functional programming and OOPS. Thank you.